So you can get the bike already up on the rear paddock stand. So now we're going to use front bike stand and to lift. We're going to be feeding this part, while this is in there, through here. So of course you want to be careful you're not going to scratch any of the paintwork, especially here. So I'm going to quickly grab a cloth to put there. That. Okay, so we lift it up and we feed this in, rolling it forward, and then we look inside and make sure that that pin goes up into that housing and make sure it's in and fully located. Okay, so now I'm ready to take the weight of it, and so I'll just grab the mirror arm to steady it. Just lift like you would with the rear paddock stand, making sure that the wheels on the front stand move to the back. Don't pull the bike this way. Make sure that the wheels go underneath. And now you can see now, it's the bike up and the front wheel off the floor.